Now the first question of exercise 8.1 is, if cos A is equal to 4 by 5, find the value of tan A. You have four options. You have to find the correct one. You have to find the right one. If cos A is equal to 4 by 5, then sec A is equal to 5 by 4. Now we know sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. Instead of sec A, write 5 by 4 whole square minus tan square A is equal to 1. 25 by 16 minus tan square A is equal to 1. It means 25 by 16 minus 1 is equal to tan square A. 16 is the LCM. 25 minus 16 in the numerator is equal to tan square A. 9 by 16 is equal to tan square A. So tan A is equal to 3 by 4. So B is the option. So B is the right answer. Now the second sum is, if sin A is equal to 1 by 2, then find the value of cot A. There are four options. You have to find the right one. Sin A is equal to 1 by 2. Now write the formula. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Sin A is 1 by 2 whole square plus cos square A is 1. 1 by 4 plus cos square A is 1. Cos square A is 1 minus 1 by 4. Cos square A is equal to 3 by 4. Cos A is equal to root 3 by 2. I am to find cot A. Cot A is equal to cos A upon sin A. Value of cos A is root 3 by 2. And value of sin A is 1 by 2. That is root 3 by 2 into 2. So answer is root 3. So A is the answer. Now the third question of this exercise is, the value of the expression cosec 75 plus theta minus sec 15 degree minus theta minus tan 55 degree plus theta plus cot 35 degree minus theta is, there are four options. You have to find the right one. Now the question is, now this is the question. If you add these two angles, it will come out to be 90. If you add these two angles, this will come out to be 90. So change one of them. Either change this or change this. I am going to change this. Cosec, this thing can be written as 90 degree minus 15 degree minus theta. If you subtract 15 degree minus theta from 90, you will get this. Minus sec 15 degree minus theta. Now change one of them. So I'm going to change this. Tan, this thing can be written as 90 degree minus 35 degree minus theta. 55 degree plus theta can be written as this. If you solve this, you will get this. Plus cot 35 degree minus theta. Now, cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. So this is sec 15 degree minus theta minus sec 15 degree minus theta. You know tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So this is cot 35 degree minus theta plus cot 35 degree minus theta. Now this and this is cancelled. This and this is cancelled. So I have 0. So B is the answer. B is the option. So B is the right answer. We know cosec 90 degree minus theta is sec theta and tan 90 degree minus theta is cot theta. Now the fourth question is, given that Sine theta is equal to A by B. Then cos theta is equal to, again there are 4 options. Find the right one. Now sine theta is equal to A by B. We know sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Instead of sine theta, write A by B. Plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta is equal to 1 minus A square by B square. So cos square theta is equal to B square is the LCM. So B square minus A square. So cos theta is equal to root of B square minus A square upon B square. So that is cos theta is equal to B square minus A square upon B. And it means C is the correct answer. Now the fifth question is, if cos alpha plus beta is equal to 0, then sine alpha minus beta can be reduced to, there are 4 options. Find the right one. Now cos alpha plus beta is equal to 0. This is given to us. Cos alpha plus beta. So this is equal to cos 90. Because cos 90 is 0. So instead of 0, I can write cos 90. It means alpha plus beta is equal to 90. It means alpha can be written as 90 degree minus beta. Now write sine alpha minus beta. Instead of alpha, I can write 90 degree minus beta. So instead of alpha, I have written 90 degree minus beta. So this is equal to sine 90 degree minus 2 beta. So this is equal to cos 2 beta. Because we know sine 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. So this can be written as cos 2 beta. So B is the answer. So sine alpha minus beta can be reduced to cos 2 beta. Now the sixth question is, the value of tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree up to tan 89 degree is, there are 4 options. You have to find the right one. Now the question is tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree up to tan 89 degree. It means here it is tan 88 degree and here tan 87 degree. And there is, in between, there is tan 45 degree. So this is the question. Now, if I combine tan 1 degree and tan 89 degree, so 1 plus 89 is 90 degree. So I can change one of them. That is, tan 1 degree can be written as 90 degree minus 89 degree. Tan 89 degree. This is equal to cot 89 degree, tan 89 degree. And we know cot 89 degree can be written as 1 over tan 89 degree into tan 89 degree. That is equal to 1. So if we take tan 2 degree and then we take tan 88 degree, if we solve them, if we simplify it, it will again come out to be 1. Similarly, tan 3 degree, tan 87 degree, if we combine these two, it will come out to be 1. So on. So, and tan 45 degree, which comes in between this, that is equal to 1. So what we are going to have, 1 into 1 into 1, so on, the answer will come out to be 1. So B is the option. Now 7th question is, if cos 9 alpha is equal to sin alpha, and 9 alpha less than 90 degree, then the value of tan 5 alpha is, there are 4 options, find the right one. Now it is given cos 9 alpha is equal to sin alpha. I am to find the value of alpha first. So this is cos 9 alpha. Sin alpha can be written as cos 90 minus alpha, because we know cos 90 minus alpha is sin alpha. So 9 alpha is equal to 90 minus alpha. So 9 alpha plus alpha is equal to 90. 10 alpha is equal to 90. Alpha is equal to 90 by 10 is equal to 9. So value of alpha is equal to 9. I am to find tan 5 alpha. Tan 5, instead of alpha, write 9. So tan 45 degree, that is equal to 1. So C is the option. Now the 8th question is, if ABC is a right angle at C, then the value of cos A plus B is, there are 4 options, find the correct one. If ABC is a right angle at C, it means angle C is 90 degree. And we know angle A plus angle B plus angle C of a triangle is 180 degree. And we know sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. If angle C is 90 degree, it means angle A plus angle B plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. It means angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree, means 90 degree. I am to find the value of cos A plus B. A plus B is 90 degree. Cos 90 is 0. So A is the answer.